Welcome to our channel. Today's video is on the top 5 best pool safety covers. We have spent hours researching and have carefully chosen these top 5 best pool safety covers based on criteria such as quality, cost, and longevity. To find out more information and current pricing, please check the links provided in the video description. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews like this. Without further ado, let's begin the video. Number 1. Happybuy Pool Safety Cover. The Happybuy Pool Safety Cover is the best option if you want a pool cover that will last a long time and perform reliably. This durable polypropylene cover can be adjusted to fit any pool and provides superior safety from accidental drowning for children, pets, and other household animals. A tight mesh construction prevents leaves and other debris from entering the pool, which in turn keeps the water cleaner and less prone to evaporation throughout the winter. The pool cover's assembly is simplified by the inclusion of all necessary hardware, such as brass anchors, stainless steel springs, and the appropriate tools. In addition, its dimensions are suitable for a pool measuring 16 by 30 feet, making it a good option for residential, commercial, and hotel settings. Invest in a Happybuy Pool Safety Cover right away to ensure the cleanliness and security of your pool throughout the year. Number 2. Sun 2 Solar Blue Rectangle Solar Cover. Keep your pool at a pleasant temperature all summer long with the help of the Sun 2 Solar Blue Rectangle Solar Cover. The beautiful blue color retains the sun's heat, making your swim delightful and warm no matter the time of day. The millions of air pockets retain heat and prevent water evaporation, and its 16 by 32 dimension fits your pool perfect. The cover keeps your pool warm overnight, and on cold days, it's easy to install and remove. Unroll it on your pool surface and secure with straps or clips, and you can swim in minutes. Trimming the cover to fit your pool won't void the guarantee. The Sun 2 Solar Blue Rectangle Solar Cover keeps your pool warm and reduces evaporation. Every swim is warm. Your pool area looks wonderful in blue. Buy this solar cover today and swim comfortably in no time. Number 3. Blue Wave Inground Safety Pool Cover. If you own a backyard pool and are concerned about its safety and convenience, go no further than the Blue Wave Inground Safety Pool Cover. Includes brass anchors, stainless steel springs, buckles, installation tools, and a storage bag. Made of sturdy polypropylene, can be safely installed on concrete decks. The high scrim mesh panel design enables water filter through while shielding your pool from dirt and debris, and the brass anchoring mechanism is anchored securely into concrete with a drill and tamp method. Wear strips prevent the underside of the pool cover from being worn down by abrasion and fraying, and the cover's multi-seam stitching keeps it sturdy and together. The dimensions of this pool cover, 20 by 40 feet, guarantees a snug fit regardless of the shape of your pool. If you want safety and peace of mind, you need the Blue Wave Inground Safety Pool Cover. Number 4. Doheny's Professional Grade Leaf Nets for In-Ground Swimming Pools. Doheny's professional grade leaf nets for in-ground swimming pools are the best option for keeping your pool clean of leaves and twigs all season. Our multi-function leaf net coverings keep leaves out and your pool clean. Our deluxe leaf nets safeguard your pool with rot-resistant binding, tighter webbing, and UV inhibitors. Our economy leaf nets use conventional binding and webbing with high-quality woven material to keep leaves and twigs out. To fit perfectly, both leaf net sizes are 4 feet larger than the pool size. Economy leaf nets have a 1-year warranty, whereas deluxe leaf nets have a 2-year warranty with 1-year full replacement for manufacturer's defects. Doheny's professional grade leaf nets for in-ground swimming pools are the best way to clean and prevent infection. Our multi-function leaf nets can be used alone to keep leaves out or with a strong winter cover for quick cleanup. Doheny's leaf nets keep pools clear. Number 5. Robelle Winter Round Above Ground Pool Cover. An above ground pool cover, like the Robelle Winter Round Above Ground Pool Cover, is essential for the safety and cleanliness of your pool throughout the colder months. It is resistant to snow, ice, and sleet since it is made of 2.36-ounce polyethylene, a heavy-duty material. With its 4-foot overlap and 4 feet of excess material beyond the pool size, this cover is more simpler to set up and maintain than others. Robelle covers include a winch and cord to help you tighten it over your grommets. If your pool's top rails are particularly wide, you may need to upgrade to a larger pool size in order to ensure that the cover floats freely on the water. An ice equalization pillow, sold separately, is recommended for use during the colder months. This winter, make sure your pool is safe from the elements by using the Robelle Winter Round Above Ground Pool Cover. Thanks for watching. We're glad you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button and share it with your friends. It would be a great help for us. Also, please don't forget to subscribe our channel for latest updates. We value your feedback. Please feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. See you in our next video.